Hi, John Ozzie here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of one of our traders, Zdenek. Zdenek has been trading with us from November 11, 2020 up until the present date of review, 9th of June 2021. This is the journey of Zdenek. Zdenek's had a daily gain of 0.04%, a monthly gain of 1.36%, and a drawdown of 8.02%. Zdenek has traded a total of 100 times within this time of joining us, and Zdenek has been successful 73% of the time. 73 times out of 100, Zdenek's been successful, and 27% of the time it's been unsuccessful. So this is a very good reward to loss rate ratio, and 73% is on the high end, and this is very good. So let's see how we done it with 100 trades. The total amount of pips taken was 324.8 pips, and looking at the summary of all pairs traded, we can see he's traded 7 pairs, and out of the 7 pairs, the most significant pairs I've given him the biggest gains has been the pound US dollar, the pound AUD, and the euro AUD. So altogether, this has helped Zdenek achieve 10%, and diversifying into pound CAD, pound yen, pound Kiwi, he wasn't really successful, but at the end of the day, Zdenek has still hit 10%. So let's look at a few of his history in terms of trades. Consistent lot sizes, as you can see, 20 pips, 40 pips, 12 pips, vice versa. But one thing I will highlight, and I flag a lot of traders for, is use a stop loss all the time. It's good practice. It prevents you from uncertainty, excessive losses, and more importantly, it keeps you in control of the trade. Trading should be in a situation where you're enjoying your trading, not a stressful situation, because stressful trades only leads to over trading and, more importantly, substantial losses. So bear that in mind moving forward, not taking nothing away from your achievement. This is a very great attempt. So without going further now, let's just look at your monthly statistics. When you joined in 2020, you see in November you're down by minus 0.17. December you're up by 1.98%, not bad. You started the year with a deficit of minus 1.22%, and February as well, minus 3.75%. Only from March to June, we've seen a big improvement of 6.1%, 1.09%, minus 1.28%, and a staggering 7.33%. So over time, you've definitely improved as a trader. So I will recommend you stick to whatever's working for you with this massive improvement. And more importantly, put a stop loss in place. That will even keep the result rates even much more successful. And that's going to take you to that next level. So we can only do better by trying to be better, and also by improving on our situations in terms of our trading. Trading is meant to be fun, not a stressful situation. So if you take these things on board, you're definitely going to be successful. And congratulations on your achievement with your first 10% within 100 trades. And I look forward to seeing you and reviewing your next account.